Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cyril. I'm from India and currently I'm a student here in Vaasa, Finland. In the past few vlogs that I made, I was talking about how the weather has become so nice and warm. But then for the past 2 days, the weather has changed completely. And this is how the weather has been like. You can see there's proper full snow everywhere, and everyone was expecting that spring is already here. So most of, like me personally, I had already put away my winter clothes, and many people even swapped their tires for summer tires. But then this snow started suddenly out of nowhere. So most of the cars are using the summer tires right now, and it's very slippery even on the slopes. It's quite, you have to be very careful when you're driving, but nobody was expecting this to happen. So, and the weather forecast is showing that it will be like this for the next few days. So hopefully next week the weather goes back to normal, but for now this is what we have to deal with. And it's proper heavy snow everywhere. Like all of this part was already cleared out, but then again snow has started to collect. So now I'm headed to my work. I have a shift today for my other part-time job that I had. So I'll be going there and maybe I'll record over there. I just wanted to show the weather, how drastically it has changed just over 2 days. Like 2 days back I was like talking to my family, and I was showing them how pretty the place was looking with all the snow cleared out, and then just 2 days later this is how it is. So you can't tell how the weather will be. So I'll start out now for my work and maybe I'll record over there. Let's go. So I was supposed to change my own car tires this week, but then I think I'll wait for a little longer and then I will change, because this is what the weather is. So I can't even ride my scooty now. And over here they are changing the flag on top of the building with the crane. So now I'll quickly leave for my walk and then maybe I'll continue the video then.
In that.
So we just finished here today and now we will go home, and there is this cycle lock which I forgot the code to. That's why I borrowed this. I'll have to cut it. And this is the building behind me. It's called Kolkin Kartano, and it's in Kolkin. So I already showed you the view that's this side. It's very pretty, and the weather also has changed. Hopefully it gets better now. So let's see.